Hi, my name is Camille and I'm a reference librarian here at the Oak Brook Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a holiday tree out of a recycled old book. Supplies and instructions are available today, December 10th, at the library. Let's get started. In your bag, your supplies are going to include an old book, some glitter, bead garland, a poinsettia for the top of your tree, and some other decorative elements like a bow and some foam pieces that you're going to adhere to your tree. So let's get started folding the book. You take the upper right hand corner of the first page and you fold it down to the spine of the book and crease it. Fold the page in half again toward the spine and crease it, and then you have a small piece that hangs over. Fold that up so that it's even with the bottom of the book. You continue to fold in this manner until you have folded all of the pages of your book. I would recommend at least 150 pages, or until you reach the desired size. If you don't want to fold the entire book, you can just tear the extra pages off. So you continue to fold the pages until you've gotten to the size that you want. And then you stand the book up and you fan it out so that it looks like the tree like this. Next you add the decorative elements. So you take the bead garland and you start at the top and wrap it snugly around the outside of the tree, and then you adhere it in several spots with either the hot glue or the white glue. If you're using white glue, you need to let the elements dry before you move on to the next stage of the project. After the bead garland, you add the decorative bows, you add the poinsettia lastly at the top with a dab of glue, and then finally the glitter, which I adhered to the tree with white glue. I simply took a Q-tip and dabbed different spots on the book and then sprinkled the glitter on top of it. And then you end up with this decorative tree. So your finished product will look something like this. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. And please also remember to post a picture as a comment of your completed project. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed making the craft, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday.